You're watching shantiPlay. We are at Madhuvan, Costa Rica.
And today we will process our own organic coconut oil. The first step is to peel the husk off of the coconut. You need a good team for this, and we have that here at Madhuvan. Then crack the nut and collect the water. Pry the flesh out from the nutshell.
Blend the flesh with water several times. Filter and squeeze. Let the liquid sit in the fridge for 5 hours or overnight to separate the fatty pulp from the water.
Skim off the fatty pulp and boil it in a pot on a low flame until the oil has separated from the solids and the solids have become dark. Cooking time depends on the amount of pulp. It can be around 1 hour or more.
The water from the coconuts and the water used to blend the flesh can be used for drinks or cooking. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video.
Subscribe if you haven't.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!